Welcome to your comprehensive guide to the NYSTCE ATAS, the New York State Teacher Certification Examinations Assessment of Teaching Assistant Skills. This presentation will walk you through everything you need to know to successfully pass this certification exam and launch your career in education. Teaching assistants provide critical instructional support under certified teacher supervision. Your core responsibilities include lesson delivery assistance, classroom management, student assessment, preparing materials, and collaborating with teachers, parents, and staff to enhance student learning outcomes. The exam is administered by the New York State Education Department. Eligibility requirements include being 18 years old with a high school diploma or GED. An associate degree or 60 college credits is preferred. You'll also need a background check and fingerprinting clearance. The exam features 100 multiple-choice questions at Pearson View testing centers. You have 3 hours to complete it. Scoring ranges from 100 to 300, with 220 required to pass. The exam fee is $59. With 100 questions in 3 hours, you have about 1.8 minutes per question. Answer known questions first, mark uncertain ones for review, and reserve 15 minutes for final review. There's no penalty for guessing. Results arrive within 2 to 4 weeks via your online account. Here's your content breakdown. Reading and writing instruction is 35%, your top priority. Mathematics instruction is 25%. Instructional support is 20%. Classroom management is 10%. The remaining 10% covers professional development, child development, special education, and technology. Plan your study time accordingly. Essential competencies include reading support, math assistance, classroom management, student assessment, effective communication, differentiation strategies, technology integration, safety protocols, professionalism, and positive behavior support. Practice question. A student struggles with reading comprehension. Which strategies should you implement first? Pre-teach vocabulary, increase reading speed, assign more homework, or use only audiobooks? Consider your answer. The correct answer is B. Pre-teach vocabulary and activate prior knowledge. This evidence-based strategy helps students connect new information to existing knowledge and understand key terms before encountering them in text. Far more effective than the other options. Career opportunities include public K-12 schools, private and charter schools, special education programs supporting students with disabilities, and early childhood centers like pre-K and Head Start programs. Safety compliance is mandatory. Know emergency procedures, maintain first aid and CPR certification, and follow reporting protocols. As a mandated reporter, you're responsible for FERPA compliance, confidentiality, and professional boundaries. Non-compliance can result in certification suspension. Professional skills for success include active listening, clear age-appropriate communication, positive reinforcement, cultural sensitivity, and creative problem-solving. These skills build trust and rapport with students and families. Your ethical framework prioritizes student welfare, confidentiality, professional integrity, diversity respect, and continuous improvement. Professional conduct means punctuality, appropriate appearance, effective communication, and strong teamwork. Study individually with the official NYSED guide, flashcards, and practice tests. Dedicate 1 to 2 hours daily. Join study groups to discuss concepts, role-play scenarios, and share resources. Begin preparing 6 to 8 weeks before your exam date. Certification renews every 3 years. Requirements include maintaining active employment, completing professional development hours, and submitting your renewal application. Continuing education covers content knowledge, instructional strategies, technology, and special education compliance. Quick recap: 100 questions, 3 hours, 220 to pass. Focus on reading and writing at 35% and mathematics at 25%. Success requires preparation, time management, practice tests, and professionalism. Ready to practice? Visit PracticeTestGeeks.com for comprehensive NYSCE ATAS preparation. Get hundreds of realistic practice questions with detailed explanations, performance tracking to identify weak areas, and full exam simulations. Practice like a pro and pass with confidence. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code to start practicing now at practicetestgeeks.com. Invest in your success today. Good luck, future teaching assistant.